How to translate an audio message on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chat list. Then tap on Settings from the bottom right corner. Tap on Chats in the menu. Once you're in this page, toggle on this voice message transcripts option. Now, choose a language. A list of languages will appear. You need to select a language in which you want the audio message to be transcribed in. Here, I'm selecting English. You can choose your preferred one. Tap on Chats from the bottom panel and open a chat that has voice in it. Now, tap and hold the voice message. And as you can see, a menu like this will appear. Select the option Transcribe from the menu. And as you can see, the transcription for this audio isn't available. That's because the audio itself is in English. So, we will go ahead and select another language from the list. After the language has been downloaded, the transcription to this voice note will be available. Make sure that the voice notes are clear. An unclear voice note might be difficult for the app to transcribe. So, by following these steps, you can translate an audio message on WhatsApp.